Activating an HSBC debit card is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then, get the help from HSBC Bank in order to activate your debit card. So, to activate your debit card, you need to scroll down on their website and tap on Credit Cards. But as you can see, there is no such thing that we can use to activate our debit card. So, in that case, click on Menu from the top left corner and tap on Help. Then, scroll down in Help and tap on Customer Support. Now, you can search for Activate My Card. Then scroll down and get into Card Support. From here, you can find out the option to activate your card by tapping on it. And yes, here we are. So the first thing you need to do is log on to online banking using your secure key. Then go to Manage and select the Activate Card option from here. Now choose the card you need to activate. Then review the information displayed and select Confirm. Your card is now activated. Also, you can find out your credit or debit card number from here.